Welcome to the Harvey channel. Today I'll show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first open your Google Photos app. Give it permissions to access your files. Then select the photo you want to edit. Let's say, for example, this one. Click Edit here. Here are a bunch of options presented to us. Of course, you can play around a little, edit your photo the way you like it. But let's see. You can of course crop. You can rotate. You can also rotate like this. You can add filters. You can change the lighting, the brightness, the contrast. You can change the tone. I already said about filters. You can add text. Change the color of the text. You can draw on the picture. Let's see. You can unblur. You can play around with options. I don't need to name all of them. Once you're done, you just press save as copy. And just like that, you have an edited photo. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Harvey channel for more videos. Leave a like and a comment. And goodbye.